Ladies and gentlemen, the session of this honorable body is about to commence. Everyone, please rise.
As the elected City Vice Mayor and the presiding officer, this 8th regular session is now called to order. Roll call, please.
The members of the Sangguniang Panlungsod, Honorable Michael Gerard T. Morada, Honorable Galileo P. Angeles on official business, Honorable Jennifer Spy T. Toledo on official business, Honorable Oscar M. Gozos II on official business, Honorable Rio for Nicole H. Ronquillo, Honorable Vinice D. Manalo, Honorable Miguel P. Lina III, Honorable Merlo P. Silva, Honorable Avior Aroca Fort, Honorable Ralph Peter S. Umali, Honorable Aris D. Macala on official business, Honorable Percival V. Loho, Honorable Windy P. Lat on official business, Honorable Angela Antoinette B. Bautista, and the presiding officer, Honorable City Vice Mayor Camille Angeline M. Lopez.
Do we have a quorum?
We have a quorum.
May I request the Honorable Rio for Nicole Ronquillo for the leading of the invocation and the singing of the national anthem.
Let us all remember that we are in the most holy presence of God. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen. As we gather here in the harbor of your safety, we thank you for fellowship and family. We ask that you will strengthen us, restore us, and inspire us with your love. Lord, would you fill us with your peace so that as we journey onwards, we would pour out your love and grace to others. We ask that our souls would catch the wind of your Spirit so that we would take your promises to all the earth. Amen. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen. Let us put our right hand on the upper left part of our chest and sing the Philippine National Anthem.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Good morning po everyone, to the members of the August Body, to the Secretariat, to all the staff, and to all the guests. Right now po, we have the DLSL basketball team who would be competing for the regional meet. May I request Honorable Merlo Silva for the suspension of the rules so that we can accommodate. Ano lang muna po, suspension of rules, apo, para we can accommodate them.
Sino ka bisita? Madam Chair, good morning. I move for the suspension of the rules to accommodate our guests in this morning session. Madam
Any
Chair.
second? Duly seconded, rules suspended. May I request po a representative from the basketball team? Ma'am, yes, please go ahead po.
Sa mga bumubuo po ng sangguniang panglungsod ng Lipa, sa pangunguna po ng ating mahal na Vice Mayor Camille Angeline Lopez, magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. So ako po si Joanne Hanopol Pisigan, kasama ko po ang mga magulang at mga estudyante po mula po sa De La Salipa, kung saan andun po sila sa likod. Pwede po ba tayong tumayo? Yan, so, yan. Ayan po. Sila po, ang mga batang ito po, ang magre-represent po sa Regional Athletic Association Meet sa darating po na Abril. Sa Laguna po, wala pa po kaming exact na details with regards to the date, pero yun po ay 10 araw. Ang kanila pong lalaruan ay basketball po sa elementary, ay lumalapit po sa inyo upang humingi po ng tulong para po sa aming karagdagang mga expenses, tulad po ng aming team shoes at mga extra jerseys at iba pa po. So, kami po ay personal pong lumalapit sa inyo na nawa po kami ay inyong bigyang pansin po para po bilang pagsuporta po ninyo sa mga ating mga future athletes. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you po, ma'am. May sasabihin ka po, Honorable Merlo Silva.
Ma'am, siguro naman ho, ang mga miyembro ng sanggunian ay hindi ho patay na lukan. Kami ho willing na tumulong, lalo na ho ang atin hong Vice Mayor. Paano pa
Oo, yeah, pwede. Sige po, good luck po to all the kids na magko-compete po, and sa parents po, sa mga supportive parents, makakaasa po kayo na susuporta po ang Sangguniang Panglungsod po. Thank you po.
Maraming salamat din po. So, palakpakan po natin ang ating pong mga may isa lang po kami, ma'am, na request kung pwede daw pong magpa-picture po mga bata.
Okay po,
Kasama
sige po,
kayo.
no worries po.
Thank you po.
Counselors, photo ops po. Session resumes. Privilege. Honorable Merlo Silva, you are recognized.
Good morning, Madam Chair, sa aking mga kasamahan. Sa umaga ito, Madam Chair, ay gusto ko hong bigyan natin pansin ang daloy ho ng trapiko dito po sa atin sa Lungsod ng Lipa. Bagamat masipag ho ang ating TMD, ang ating SIPUS, ang ating hong Traffic Division, ay nagkakataon, Madam Chair, na may mga nakikita ho tayo na problema na sa akin hong tingin ay dapat din ho makialam ang atin hong Sangguniang Panlungsod. Madam Chair, kung kahapon ho ay akin ho na-experience, galing ho ako dito sa Tangway, ay pagpunta ko, pag uwi ko na, at narito na ako sa party ho ng San Carlos, ay talaga hong inabot ho ako ng 1 oras sa biyahe. Dahil lang, ang nakita ko hong dahilan ay talaga hong madami na hong sasakyan talaga, at padalway, medyo isa lang ho yung way na yon papunta ho ng JP Laurel. Nakita ko, Madam Chair, at nais ko rin ho na bakit hindi tayo magkaroon diyan ng access road going to the left side ho ng Barangay San Carlos, na kung saan ho ay tutumbok ho ito dito ho sa creek na yun may pag-ari ng estado. Na kung saan sa nakita ko ho, yun yung malaking bagay para ho dito sa mga lalabas at papasok na sasakyan ho, papunta ho dito sa west portion ho ng City of Lipa. Lalo na ho, may pinaplano nga ho ang pamahalaan ng lungsod ng Lipa na din ho ilipat sa parting iyan ang atin ng City Hall. Nakita ko na pwede ho nating gawing access road, yun hong sa may Riles, doon ho sa may dating basketball court. Ang isa pa ho ay yun hong subdivision ho, na kung tawagin ay San Carlos Homes. Pwede ho doon dahil kaunti na lamang ho, creek na yon. At doon ho sa in between the Kapidilipa at ano yung hotel na yon? Hotel Alpha Hotel. Ayun ho. Yun naman ho pwede ho doon. Pasensya na, hindi ako napunta dyan sa akin ho nakikita, yun ay makakatulong ho. At ang isa pa rin ho, sa nakita ko, ay baka ho naman po pwede na yun hong barrier doon ho sa gitna ng JP Laurel na ito pwede hong magderechuhan sa San Carlos, papunta hong mataas na lupa. Dapat ho siguro yan, derechuhan na lamang, no left turn. Ika nga, bawal mag-left turn dahil kung magle-left turn ho, magkakaroon ho lalo ng problema sa traffic. Ngayon, kung puro kanan at papunta ho sila ng SM, pwede doon sa kabila o kumaliwa. Pero yung kantong yan, pwedeng gawin natin na derechuhan. Ganun din ho siguro ang Barangay Balintawak. Yun ho sa, yun yung gitna na nagko-connect ho, going to Mabini and going to Water District. Siguro ganun na rin yung gawin natin. No left turn din, puro pa kanan lamang. Nasa ganun, diretso, no? Dahil kasi, ang nakikita ko, pagka ito ho paglabas ho, mga diretso ang sasakyan, nagkakaroon ho doon ng clog. Kaya siguro, makita ho natin yung solusyon sa problema ito. Baka ito na solusyon. At padalwa, Madam Chair, pagpupunta ho tayo dito sa City Hall, ay talaga naman hong napakatagal, nakakainip. Nakita ko ho dahilan, baka ho ito dahilan, hindi naman ho eksperto sa traffic, ay sobra naman ho ang tagal. Yun ang ating timer, yung ating traffic light, ay yung timer ho, napakahaba ng stop sa papunta ho dyan sa Marawoy at doon naman yung galing sa Lumbang, napakatagal naman ho ng pagtakbo. Oo, kaya ho, nakaguna yung kabila, naka-stop na, ay ito ho sa gitna, ay matraffic pa rin. Siguro, baka pwedeng baliktad din natin. Ang habaan ng stop, ay yung kabila, ito naman, go ng go. Doon yung stoplight, doon sa papunta hong Pesta Mall. Kaya Madam Chair, siguro, may repair to sa tamang committee, ba't ng pag-aralan at lalo na tayo, pagka tayo pupunta ng City Hall, tingnan nyo, haharap tayo sa mga problema ng ating mga kababayan dito, ay kung minsan nakakairita, baka tayo masama mukha, maipakita natin sa ating mga kababayan. Dahil lang sa traffic na pwede na solusyonan ho agad, Madam Chair.
Matter brought up is jointly referred to the Committee on Traffic and Public Works. Lead committee would be the Committee on
Kahit sino?
Public Works.
Isa pa, Madam Chair, ay nung isa whole linggo, Sergeant Gosa surrendered the privilege speech regarding the resolution number 421 and resolution number 420. Resolution authorizing the local chief executive to grant a special use permit to BN Mendoza Amusement and Gaming Corporation for the establishment, operation of poker games to be located at GGE Building, JP Laurel Highway, Sakura Executive Village, Barangay Marawi, Lipa City. And a resolution interposing no objection for the said establishment to be put up in that area, Madam Chair. So, nagkaroon ho ng pagbabago at ang gusto ho ni Kapitan Boy or ng BN Mendoza ay mailipat po ang venue na nasabi yung establishment. So, kaya, Madam Chair, siguro it's about time to revoke these two resolution. Ito lang ang magagawa natin, revocation of these two resolutions, at itatama ho natin yung request nila. Kaya, Madam Chair, may repair to sa tamang committee, but nasa ganun ay ma-revoke ho natin.
Hindi, naka-refer naman.
Committee on... Oo. Ha? Ito, tuloy ko na. So, Madam Chair, with the permission of the chairman and the body, I move that this matter be considered as urgency na o referral? Urgent ko na. For the urgency of the subject matter, Madam Chair, dahil...
I-revoke mo na. Urgency pa lang.
To revoke oo. So, Madam Chair, I move for the urgency. So, I have a reason to file a motion for revocation of this resolution. Tama?
Seconded by Honorable Morada. Discussion, objection, hearing none, the motion is hereby approved.
So, Madam Chair, I move for the passage of a resolution revoking the resolution number 421 and resolution number 420 for final reading. Is na yun? Re-revoke na.
I'm declaring a recess.
So, Madam Chair, I hear the view of my colleague regarding my motion. Ano di ang motion ko eh? Revoke
I-reiterate
na. May motion.
i-reiterate lang po yung motion niya.
So, Madam Chair, I move that the resolution number 421 and 420 be revoked.
Any second? Any second?
Hoy! Second daw. Sa revocation.
Any second for the revocation?
Ayun.
Seconded by Honorable Morada. Objection? Hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for the third and final reading.
So, diretso ko na.
Hindi, okay
O mamaya na. Hindi, revoke na eh. Gagawa ulit tayo. Di mamaya na.
Later na lang.
Oh. And Madam Chair, I have a letter from City Administrator Ronel Sarmiento addressed to the Vice Mayor regarding the request of Ferdinand Policarpio for the reclassification of a property with an area of 2,620 square meter located at Barangay Sampaguita, owned by spouses Judith Pantangco and Ernesto Pantangco, from agricultural use to commercial use, Madam Chair. Please refer it to the proper committee.
Matter brought up is referred to the Committee on Land Use. Privilege. Honorable Morata, you are recognized.
Thank you, Madam Chairwoman. Maraming salamat din kay MMDA Chairman Merlo Silva sa pagmamalasakit sa traffic. Madam Chair, bilang chairman po ng komitiba ng Trade and Industry, I just want to make a report and commend the Business Permits and Licensing Office na ito pong natapos na February 15, 2024. Nakakuha po ako ng report ng mga nagbayad at nag-register na ating mga taxpayers, business taxpayers dito sa lungsod ng Lipa. From the year 2023, ang total po ay na collections from January 1 to February 15, 2023, ito po ay last year, 269,956,157.51 centavos. This year, nakakatuwa po at siguro magandang senyales na yung mga taxpayers natin ay masaya at happy na nagbabayad dito sa lungsod ng Lipa. Nag-increase po ng 100 million from January 1, 2024 hanggang February 15, 2024. Umabot po tayo ng 359,824,143.91 centavos. Dumami rin po ang nagbayad at nag-register. Last year po, 7,382. Ngayon ay 11,965. So a total of 4,000, increase ng 4,583 na nagbayad at nag-register ngayong taon. At i-report ko na rin ang ating mga sari-sari stores na na-exempt at natulungan sa tulong ng Sangguniang Panlungsod. Total po ng 859 sari-sari stores ang nakapag-register at ito po ay ongoing pa at atin pong iniengganyo yung mga senior citizen o yung mga gustong maghanap buhay ng panimula, ng simple Sari-Sari Store, libre po ang inyong business permit at ginagawa na rin po natin ang paraan na yung BFP, yung fire na sinisingil lang 500 pesos, kung tayo po sa city ay nagsakripisyo na i-exempt ang ating mga kababayan na naghahanap buhay ng sari-sari store, sana mapagbigyan din tayo ng BFP. Meron din akong nakuhang report na isa sa mga exempted na sari-sari store ay pinakukuha po ng fire extinguisher at pinagbabayad ng BFP. Kaya sana naman po sa mga darating na panahon ay itong mga ating mga kababayan na naghahanap buhay ng simple at maliit ay padaliin natin para mas lalo silang maengganyo at mas marami pa tayong maging registered business owners dito sa lungsod ng Lipa. So with this, Madam Chair, just want to make a manifestation na we are commending the Business Permits and Licensing Office sa paunguna ni Tita Divine Simangan. So congratulations po sa BPLO at sana tuloy-tuloy at padaliin natin ang proseso para sa ating mga kababayan na naghahanap buhay dito sa lungsod ng Lipa. Yun lang po, Madam Chair. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, Honorable Marada. Honorable Silva, you are recognized.
Karagdagan lang. I really admire the honorable gentleman, Kuya Mikey Murada, Kuya, sa kanyang effort at siya ho ang proponent ng mga ordinansa ngayon para tumulong ho sa atin ho maliliit na gusto ho kumita at maghanap buhay. Tayo naman membro ng Sanggunian, atin naman hong nakita yun hong effort ho at saka yun hong pag-iisip po ng ating kagalang-galang na Konsehal Mikey. At siguro, Madam Chair, mapag-aralan din ho ng komitiba na kung saan ho ay ito may repair na baka naman ho tayo makapaglaan din ng pondo para matulungan din ho natin ang iba pa nating kababayan sa bawat barangay na gusto rin magtayo ng sari-sari store. Upang sa ganun, Madam Chair, nakita ho natin na marami pa rin ho tayong kababayan. Ang pamilya ho ay naghihikahos, wala hong pinagkikitaan. Baka ho sa pamagitan ho ng paglalaan natin ng konting pondo upang sila'y makapagsimula. Kung pwede hong maglaan tayo ng pamahalaan, pwede nating ipautang sa atin hong mga kababayang iyan para lang sila'y makapagsimula, ay, Madam Chair, malaking tulong ito sa atin ng mga kababayan sa lungsod ng Lipa. At ito ho, Madam Chair, maiiwasan na marami ho maiiwasan dito. Kung ang isa hong kababayan nating mahirap sa barangay, matutulungan ho natin na makapagtayo sila ng sariling sari-sari store or sa pamagitan ng maliit na kapital na yan, makapagsimula sila. Madam Chair, kaya siguro, karagdagan din lang ho sa pag-aaralan ng atin hong chairman ng Trade Commerce Industry. Pondo, ay dinariyan si Councilor Abior to study the amount we needed in that particular program. Siguro, pwede nating sari-sari store, etc. Gano'n lang. Siguro, para lang, siguro, mapunduhan natin. Let's say, sabihin natin, bawat isang makakita tayo, subukan nating mag-roll tayo ng pilot project. Kumuha tayong ng 2 mahirap na pamilya, pautangin natin ng tig 10,000. Siguro doon tayo magsimula. Tingnan natin, i-monitor natin. Dahil kasi nakikita ko, sa mga pag-upautang ng pamahalaan, kulang sa monitoring, kulang sa ngipin. Gagawin, pauutangin ng pamahalaan, pag-grupo, after 2 singilan na, wala. Ang mga tao na nagiging kasama sa programa ngayon, ay hindi iniintindi na sila'y kumita. Ang iniintindi, madaya nila ang gobyerno para sila'y magkakaroon ng pagkakataong magkapera. At tulad ng ginagawa ng mga programa na mag-organize kayo ng 10, pautangin ng gobyerno ng tigli 5,000, 50,000, ikaw ang presidente. Sa 2 meeting, atin, pag nariyan ang pera, ang mangyayari, unang hulog, yung 10, 7 na, pa 2 hulog, yung 7, dadalwa na, hanggang yung presidente nilangan natin tirang natin ng meeting, hanggang sabi ng presidente, magaling at wala ng meeting, hindi na rin siya makapagbayad. Ngayon, ang kinakailangan natin dyan, proper monitoring. At siguro, paggabay talaga sa gusto mga maghanap buhay.
Honorable Marada, you are recognized.
Maganda po, Madam Chair, yung suggestion ni Consel Merlo Silva, ang tanungin na lang ay ating kasi Consel Avior kung paano natin mapopondohan o paano natin i-allocate yung fund para doon at kung paano patatakbuhin yung ganyang klaseng programa. Pero may suggest ko lang, meron pong programa ang national government sa pamamagitan ng DOLE. Bago po ito, ang tawag po nila ay pangkabuhayan. DOLE Pangkabuhayan na program. So sa pamamagitan nito, nag-aalat sila ng fund, pero imbis na pera ang ibigay sa tao, in kind. Depende sa kung ano ang iyong negosyo. Kung ikay mananahi, bibigyan ka ng DOLE ng mga gamit na magagamit mo para makapanimula ka ng iyong hanap buhay. Kung sari-sari store, bibigyan ka rin ng mga goods para iyong maumpisan, maibenta. Meron lang nakaalat na specific na pondo. Pwede natin pagtulungan, makahingi rin tayo sa iba pang mga senador para...
Wala ko na lang senador.
Ayun. So, suggestion lang din naman, pandagdag.
Tama si kagilagalang Mikey Morada. At siguro, ito na rin ang pagkakataon natin na gamitin din natin ang sanggunian for a good purpose na tayo ay sumulat sa mga senador upang sa ganun ay matupad itong ating gusto sa ating mga kababayan na mahihirap sa lungsod ng Lipa, Madam Chair.
Matter brought up is referred to the Committee on Appropriations. Privilege. Honorable Rocafort, you are recognized.
Madam Chair, honorable members of this august body, magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Madam Chair, last December 13 of 2023, we approved Special Ordinance Number 527, Series of 2023, an ordinance creating the Lipa City Expanded Hospital Systems, approving its charter and providing funds thereof. Madam Chair, upon consultation and review of the City Personnel Office, instead of the expanded hospital systems, this ordinance be amended into ordinance creating the Lipa City Hospital System Office, Madam Chair, instead of systems and instead of department. So, Madam Chair, I move that this matter be referred to the Committee on APRO and Health.
Matter brought up is jointly referred to the Committee on Appropriations and Health. Lead committee be the Committee on Appropriations.
Pwede ko na pong i-urge.
Yes, po.
Madam Chair, I move that the said matter be considered as urgent.
Any second? Seconded by Honorable Marada, Umali, Loho, Silva. Discussion, objection, hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for urgency.
Madam Chair, I move that we amend Special Ordinance Number 527, 2023. The amendment would be as follows. Ordinance creating the Lipa City Hospital System Office, approving its charter and providing funds thereof. Second amendment would be Section 1 of the ordinance. The Hospital ng Lipa, a department of the Lipa City government, shall be known as Lipa City Hospital System Office. Third amendment would be Section 6 of the Board of Trustees. The chairman would be the city mayor. The vice chairman would be the chairman of the Committee on Health of the Sangguniang Panglungsod. To be inserted as co-chairperson is the city administrator, Madam Chair. So, Madam Chair, I move that we pass an ordinance amending the amendments that I mentioned a while ago. This ordinance is authored by this representation and co-authored by Konsehal Dr. Percival Loho, Madam Chair.
Seconded by Honorable Silva, Loho, Umali. Objection, hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for the third and final reading. Privilege. Wala na po. We now proceed with the reading of the minutes of the preceding session and approval of the same.
Madam Chair, wala ho si Conselgan.
Honorable Silva, you are
It is my honor
recognized.
to make a motion. I move that we dispense the reading of the preceding session, the minutes of the preceding session, and approval of the same.
Any second?
Minutes of the February 21, 2024 regular session.
Seconded by Honorable Umali Loho. Discussion, objection, hearing none, the motion is hereby approved. Proposed ordinances and resolutions for second reading. Honorable Ronquillo, you are recognized.
Good morning po to everyone. Madam Chair, on behalf of Councilor Spy Toledo, I move for the adaptation of the committee report number accredited 2024-001, both letter A and B.
Any second? Seconded by Honorable Silva, Loho, Manalo, Umali, Marada. Discussion, objection, hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for the second reading. Honorable Silva, you are recognized.
As requested by the Honorable Chairman Junior Gozos, who is now is on leave, special meeting. So, Madam Chair, I move for the adoption of committee report number 2024-005 of Committee on Housing, from A to H, and committee report number 2024-005. Wala na. I move for the adoption of this committee report, Madam Chair.
Any second? Seconded by Honorable Umali Marada Loho. Discussion, objection, hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for the second reading. Business for the day.
Business for the day. Number 1, letter of the City Mayor requesting the August body for the passage of a resolution relative to the provision of free use of four-wheel tractor for the land preparation services of Lipeño farmers.
Refer to the Committee on Agriculture.
Number 2, letter of the City Mayor requesting for the passage of a resolution granting authority to the City Mayor of Lipa to enter into a MOA with Bureau of Soils and Water Management relative to the inclusion of the City of Lipa in the composting facility for biodegradable waste project.
Refer to the Committee on Agriculture.
Number 3, letter of the City Mayor requesting the August body for the passage of a resolution granting authority to enter into a data processing and non-disclosure agreement of the local chief executive in the implementation of registry system for the basic sectors in agriculture profiling platform for LGU.
Refer to the Committee on Agriculture.
Number 4, letter of the City Mayor requesting the August body for the passage of a resolution granting authority to the City Mayor to enter into a usufruct agreement with the Roman Catholic Archbishop of Lipa involving a parcel of land located at San Isidro, Lipa City.
Refer to the Committee on Land Use.
Number 5, letter of the City Mayor requesting the August body for the passage of a resolution granting authority to enter into a usufruct agreement with the missionary catechists of the Sacred Heart involving a parcel of land located at City Park Subdivision, Lipa City.
Refer to the Committee on Land Use.
Number 6 to 15, various reclassification requests.
Refer to the Committee on Land Use.
Number 16, annual budget of the Sangguniang Kabataan of Barangay 9A.
Refer to the Committee on Appropriations. Resolutions and ordinances for the third and final reading. Honorable Ronquillo, you are recognized.
Madam Chair, I move that committee report number accredited 2024-001, both A and B, be approved for third and final reading.
Any second? Seconded by Honorable Silva, Umali, Manalo. Objection? Hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for the third and final reading. Honorable Silva, you are recognized.
Thank you, Madam Chair. With regard to committee report number 2024 and 2024-05, I move for the passage of a an ordinance reclassifying a property of Ana May Pistejo and Sheila Manalo with an area of 222 square meters located at Bagong Puok, Lipa City from agricultural use to residential use for third and final reading.
Any second? Seconded by Honorable Murata Umali. Objection? Hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for the third and final reading.
I move that we pass an ordinance reclassifying a property of Mrs. Corazon Medrano with an area of 812 square meters located at Barangay Labak, Lipa City, from agricultural use to residential use for third and final reading.
Any second? Seconded by Honorable Murata Umali. Objection? Hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for the third and final reading.
I move for the passage of an ordinance reclassifying the property of Mr. Joshua Bianson with an area of 112 square meters located at Barangay Sabang from residential use to commercial use for third and final reading.
Any second? Seconded by Honorable Umali. Loho. Objection? Hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for the third and final reading.
I move that we pass an ordinance classifying the property of Ronel Andrew Valencia with an area of 331 square meters located at Barangay Insluban, Lipa City from residential use to commercial use for third and final reading.
Any second? Seconded by Honorable Umali. Objection? Hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for the third and final reading.
And likewise, Madam Chair, I move for the approval of an ordinance reclassifying a property of Mr. Alan Makasait with an area of 1,600 square meters located at Barangay Pinagtungulan from agricultural use to commercial use for third and final reading.
Any second? Seconded by Honorable Umali. Loho. Objection? Hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for the third and final reading.
Teka. Sige, tuloy na. I move for the passage of a resolution requesting the Honorable City Mayor for the granting of authority for granting of special use permit for the proposed resort to be located at Barangay Pinagtungkulan owned by Alan Makasait for third and final reading.
Any second? Seconded by Honorable Umali. Loho. Objection? Hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for the third and final reading.
I move that we pass an ordinance classifying a property of Simplicio Alo Jr. with an area of 38 square meters located at Barangay Muntingpulo from residential to commercial use for third and final reading.
Seconded by Honorable Umali. Objection? Hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for the third and final reading.
I move that we pass an ordinance classifying a property of Miss Sheila May Valdivieso with an area of 400 square meters located at Barangay San Salvador from residential to institutional use for third and final reading.
Any second? Seconded by Honorable Umali.
And lastly, Madam
Objection?
Chair,
Hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for the third and final
and
reading.
lastly, Madam Chair, I move for the passage of an ordinance reclassifying a property of Ms. Carmela Makasait with an area of 470.25 square meters from agricultural use to residential use for third and final reading, Madam Chair.
Seconded by Honorable Umali. Objection? Hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for the third and final reading.
Madam Chair, sige, mamaya na. With regard to the revocation of resolution number 421 and 420, Madam Chair, I move that this matter be considered as urgent, and I move for the passage of a resolution authorizing the local chief executive to grant a special use permit to BN Mendoza Amusement and Gaming Corporation for the establishment, operation of poker games to be located at subdivision yun? At Summit Point Subdivision Plaridel for third and final reading. Summit nga na. Para maigit. Summit nga na. Oh.
Urgency pa lang po tayo.
Hindi ganyan naprobahan na. Hindi sa'yo ito. Motion for urgency at the same time.
Revocation yun.
Di, revoke na rin.
Third na. Okay. Any second? Seconded by Honorable Umali. Objection? Hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for the third and final reading.
With regard to resolution number 421, Madam Chair, I move for the urgency of this matter and I move for the passage of a resolution. Sabay-sabay na. Approve nag-urgency na rin.
Ano
Ha?
na po?
Hindi. Interposing no objection resolution ulit. Oo. Oo, bago.
Ano?
Oo, bago rin. Bagong resolution.
Oo nga. Apo. Eh di, urgency. Apo.
Third reading. So, Madam Chair, I move for the passage of a resolution interposing no objection to the establishment of poker games to be operated by BN Mendoza Amusement and Gaming Corporation to be located at Summit Point, Plaridel, Lipa City for third and final reading.
Any second? Seconded by Honorable Rocafort. Objection? Hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for the third and final reading.
With regard to item number 6 for business for the day, Madam Chair, regarding the request of Mr. Mario Amparo, kapatid ni for the reclassification of his property from residential to commercial use, Madam Chair, I move that this matter be considered as urgent.
Any second for urgency? Seconded by Honorable Ronquillo Umali. Discussion, objection, hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for urgency.
I move for the passage of a ordinance reclassifying a property of Mr. Mario Amparo with an area of 469 square meters located at Barangay Sampaguita from residential use to commercial use for third and final reading.
Any second? Seconded by Honorable Ronquillo Umali. Objection? Hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for the third and final reading.
With regard to my privileged speech and it referred to the proper committee, so with the request of Honorable Mike Lina, with the request of Ferdinand Policarpio for the reclassification of his property located at Barangay Sampaguita, Madam Chair, I move that this matter be considered as urgent.
Any second for urgency? Seconded by Honorable Loho Umali. Discussion, objection, hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for urgency.
Madam Chair, I move for the passage of an ordinance reclassifying a property of Mr. Ernesto Pantangco and Judith Pantangco located at Barangay Sampaguita with an area of 2,628 square meters from agricultural use to commercial use for third and final reading.
Any second? Seconded by Honorable Loho Umali. Objection, hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for the third and final reading.
Madam Chair, a while ago, Honorable Macala called me up at iniusap po niya na yun hong kanya hong report or yun hong resolution ho na gusto ng mayor ay baka daw ho pwedeng paaprubahan na sa pagkakataon nung ito. Ito ay may kinalaman ho sa kanyang komitiba, yun sa disaster po. So, narito ho, Madam Chair, ang management plan ng Lipa City Disaster Risk and Reduction and Management Plan, Madam Chair. So, gusto ho ng Konsyal Aris Macala ay i-adapt po natin ito hong planong ito, Madam Chair. So, I move for the urgency of the subject matter, Madam Chair.
Any second for urgency? Seconded by Honorable Umali Ronquillo. Discussion, objection, hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for urgency.
So, in this regard, Madam Chair, I move for the passage of a resolution for the adoption of the Lipa City Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Plan for the planning period 2024-2026 for third and final reading, Madam Chair.
Seconded by Honorable Ronquillo Umali. Objection, hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for the third and final reading. Honorable Umali, you are recognized.
Good morning, Madam Chair. With regard to business for the day, item number 2, requesting for urgency for the request of our city mayor addressed to the August body for a passage of a resolution granting authority to the city mayor to enter into memorandum of agreement with Bureau of Soils and Water Management relative to the inclusion of the city of Lipa in the composting facility biodegradable waste project. For urgency, Madam Chair.
Second for urgency, Madam Chair.
Ako po.
Seconded by Honorable Loho Silva Morada. Discussion. Honorable Mirna Silva, you are recognized.
Madam Chair, I'd like to ask the chairman, ito po tungkol sa ano itong
Ito ay regarding sa memorandum of agreement between the city mayor at ang Bureau of Soils and Water Management para sa paglalagay ng isang composting facility for biodegradable waste project ng Bureau of Soil. Bureau of Soil and Water
So
Management.
ito ay funded ng
Bureau of Soil
at
Bureau of Soil and Water Management.
Thank you, Madam Chair.
Arreglada.
Any objection? Hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for urgency.
So, Madam Chair, I move that we pass a resolution granting authority to the mayor, city mayor, to enter into memorandum of agreement with the Bureau of Soil and Water Management relative to the inclusion of the city of Lipa in the composting facility for viable degradable waste project for third and final reading.
Any second? Seconded by Honorable Silva Loho.
Second. Second. Maikli na po. Maikli.
Honorable Lina. Objection? Hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for the third and final reading.
Yes, Madam Chair, regarding also our business for today sa item 3, request ng ating Honorable Mayor for a passage of a resolution granting authority to the City Mayor to enter into data processing and non-disclosure agreement of the local Chief Executive in the implementation of registry system for the basic sectors in agriculture profiling platform for local government unit for urgency, Madam Chair.
Seconded by Honorable Silva Manalo Loho. Discussion, objection, hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for urgency.
So, Madam Chair, requesting for a passage of a resolution granting authority to the City Mayor to enter into data processing and non-disclosure agreement of the local Chief Executive in the implementation of the registry system for the basic sectors in agriculture profiling platform for local government unit for third and final reading.
Seconded by Honorable Silva Loho. Objection, hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for the third and final reading.
Thank you, Madam Chair.
Any other matters? There is a motion for adjournment. Any second? Duly seconded. Session is now adjourned. Maraming salamat po.